Here we have a piece of stone, half sealed with Ironwax Satin. As you can see, it lifts and enhances the stone immensely. And the good thing about this, it makes it so easy to mop and maintain. And just to show you how easy it is to apply, I'll quickly do the other side of it. So we apply a small amount, and again, brush it all over the untreated area. And apply it using the same direction with each stroke. And there we go. Now when that's dry, that will leave a nice satin finish, the same as the other side. If you want to apply more coats, you can do. You can apply up to 5 or 6 if you wish, but each extra coat you apply, you must apply it in the opposite direction to the one you've just done. So the second one would go across, and then the third one back at an angle that way.